going on, guys? My name is Shane and I'm super excited for today's video because today's video is actually, believe it or not, a collaboration. So I actually got an email, I want to say about a week, maybe 2 weeks ago by the time this video gets out, from Luxury Scent Box Perfume subscription, asking if they wouldn't mind sending me a little sample of what they do and reviewing it for you guys, basically making a video about it. So first of all, I was super excited that a company would see my channel and actually want to collaborate with me. Being such a small YouTuber, that's definitely something that I struggle with, but that I'm always working toward, you know, building my reputation here. I love this platform, but you guys know me that if I do anything, I'm very honest about it. I don't want to, what's the word I'm thinking of? I don't want to recommend anything to you guys that I don't personally think is fair or you get your money's worth or just something that I don't really believe in. So I did email them back, really excited about the opportunity, but I said, listen, all opinions have to stay my own. I said I'd be more than happy if you want to send me a sample and do a video on it. Whether I think it's good or bad, you have to be okay with that. And clearly they were okay with it. They ended up sending me a package. We do end up unboxing it on camera today, so I'm really excited to show you guys these in just a minute. So you might be like, what the heck are we even talking about today? Let me tell you what the Luxury Scent Box Perfume subscription is. Now, if you've been around for my channel, maybe not so much recently, but maybe like 6 months or so, I was really into subscription boxes. Up to 6 months ago, I had done Birchbox for a couple of years and I really liked that for the time that I was subscribed to it. Even Loot Crate, I only had for maybe 6 months, but the only reason is because I really had no place for the collectibles. I loved Loot Crate. Honestly, it's one that I would consider definitely signing up for again. There was nothing personal I didn't like about it, just again, I didn't have room for the clutter. But I am a big fan of subscription boxes, and the Luxury Scent Box Perfume subscription is a $15 a month monthly subscription, but it's for perfumes and colognes, so it's really cool. It's for guys and for women. Basically, if you love perfumes or if you want to try new perfumes, if you're a guy, if you want to try new colognes, you can sign up for, again, a $15 a month subscription through the website. All the information to the website will be down below, and I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the website and get yourself signed up as well in today's video. Basically, fragrance specialists help design the website to find you guys your perfect scent. You find it by online surveys. You can even set up like a monthly calendar. You pick and choose which perfumes were sent to you. So it's really cool. Again, I navigated the website myself and it was very easy. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Stay tuned at the end. I am going to answer some frequently asked questions about the subscription. If you have any other questions by the end of the video, feel free to leave your questions and comments down below. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. I'm not going to show you the very top of the box only because it does have my personal information. So this is what I'm first seeing when I open it up. There is this little card here that has instructions for the use, which is always really helpful to have. Then inside it comes with this Luxury Scent Box card here. Thank you for becoming a member, matching you with the perfect scent, one fragrance at a time, sending and sharing our passion for scents from California in your Luxury Scent Box. So kind of just a welcome card. On the back, it just has some other really useful information. It just lets you know basically that your box will be shipped 2 to 7 days from your billing date each month. You can rate your fragrance, so you can log onto your account once you have that set up and rate your fragrance in the product description, and that helps members know your thoughts on the scent. And then it has share information on social media as well. So inside the box, they did send me 2 months worth of subscriptions, so that's why I have 2 products here. If you were to sign up for yourself, you would get one of these a month, but I am so excited that I get to share 2 scents with you today and kind of give you my opinions on them. So here's the front of the box up close. It says the Luxury Scent Box. On this side, it has their website, which is luxuryscentbox.com, which will also be down in the description. And then on the back side, it has a caution, just things to avoid when using this product. I don't see any particular scent on the box, but we're going to go ahead and open it up. Alright, so our first scent here, comes with this red and black reusable case. You can see right on the cap here, it has their logo. It says luxury scent box. Again, on the very top, it also has their logo. So right off the bat, I actually really like that they're travel size. First, I'm not stuck with a fragrance that I might not enjoy. I wouldn't have like a full bottle because it takes so long to go through a perfume. Even if I absolutely love one, I always find myself having these giant bottles lying around my bedroom taking up so much space. So I really like that it's small enough to travel with and you can just throw it in your purse and go. So to open and close these, I am following the little card here to show how useful it can be. So it says to hold the top of the travel size and twist the bottom to open. Oh, would you look at that? That was actually unexpected, but really cool. And then to reuse these, once your fragrance is empty, it says twist to open and then pull the inner bottle out from the top. Look at that. And that's pretty cool because once you twist it out, then you can see the name of your fragrance. I am a tiny bit confused because on this bottle, this says it's from the brand called Tokyo Milk? Oh my goodness, Tokyo Milk. And it says Tokyo Milk Dark Tainted Love number 62. But when I was talking to the company about collaborating, they said they were going to send me two Lalique Lamar and Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream, and this is of course neither of them, so I'm a little bit confused, but we will still go ahead and spray it and test out the fragrance. I'm just gonna spray it on a little piece of paper here so I don't kind of smell like too many things at once. Give it a couple spritz. I feel like I kept missing the paper. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness, that's actually a really, really, really beautiful scent. It's not really florally or like fruity, but I don't know, I really like it. It's still very, very feminine, so that is our first one. So let's go ahead and take a look at our second one. So I just popped it right back in there and then I'm twisting the bottom to hide the little nozzle. So that's our first spray. And now I'm curious again if we're gonna get an expected scent or if we're gonna get something completely different. So I'm gonna take out the second luxury scent box. Let's see if this cap is the same color. I see black. Oh, and we got a silver one this time. So same thing, you would just twist it to open and then to remove it or to replace it with a new perfume. All right, here we go. We have the L'Amour by Lilac perfume. So this is one of the ones I was expecting. So this one is gonna have a florally woody musk scent, so I'm very, very curious about this. So I have a brand new piece of paper. I'm gonna give it a quick spritz on. I think I like this one better. All right, this one's much more musky, kind of has a stronger scent to it, when this one is a little more like the first one that we tried. I feel like this one it's still very, very feminine, but it's a little bit more manly, and I think it's just because of that woody musk kind of fragrance coming from it. But both scents are very, very beautiful, and I'll definitely see myself using these. I'm very excited to put them in my purse and put these travel size fragrances to use. So I think the idea is really, really cool. I like how convenient they are. I like how it twists open. It is so easy to remove and pop back into place. Keeps the glass, okay, there we go. It keeps the glass safe so your glass is not just exposed and, you know, rolling around. I've had so many samples of perfumes that I just threw in my purse. They were glass and they ended up breaking on me. So I'm really excited that they have these cases. So if you want to sign up, I am going to jump on the website here and show you exactly how to do it. It's super easy, so let's follow along. So once you log onto the Luxury Scent Box website, this is the first page that you're gonna see. If you scroll down a little bit, it's gonna explain to you what you're gonna receive as a member. So you get the luxurious travel size spray, which includes your choice of fragrance, which is what we just saw, the little red and the silver containers that the perfume came in. Your first month includes your signature reusable case, but if you sign up for the $15 a month membership, you will receive a different case in a different color quarterly. In your membership, you get approximately 1 month's supply, which for me, I think this is gonna last me a lot longer than a month, so I really think that you kind of get a bang for your buck. There is free shipping. The best thing is that there's no contracts, no commitments. It's a month-to-month subscription, and it's easy to cancel, which is a big thing for me. If you scroll down a little bit further, it's gonna give you some examples of the brands that they own. So they really do carry high-end fragrances, some really expensive fragrances. And if you scroll down a little bit further, it's gonna show you how it works. So your step 1 is to discover your scent. So certified fragrance specialists matching you with the perfect scent. And we take a whole survey, and I think it's pretty cool. Number 2, you create your profile. So you take a short survey in just a minute to receive your fragrance recommendations personally selected for you. Number 3 is you build your calendar. So you choose your fragrance monthly by adding new scents to your calendar. So you can basically add, I think it's up to 5 months worth of scents. Again, you'll see all of this in just a moment. And number 4 is get yours monthly. Receive a luxurious travel size spray with your choice of fragrance as part of your monthly consultation. If you scroll down just a little bit more, here's some examples of the colors that you could receive in your monthly subscriptions. So right here in your additional member benefits, you receive a new reusable case for the season quarterly. So that's what I was talking about. You get a new case in a different color each quarter, and a new case is shipped to members automatically in your luxury scent box. So I'm gonna go under the women's tab here, and we're gonna take our fragrance survey to get started. Now I took this just to show you how easy this actually is. So the first thing is, what do you prefer most in a scent? Of course, this is gonna be personal, so choose your favorites. I actually really like citrusy scents, so that's what I chose. The next question is, what do you prefer most in a scent? They have a ton of different options, but I ended up choosing jasmine. I always find whenever I purchase a scent with jasmine, I end up really liking it, so that's what I chose personally. Then it's gonna bring you onto the next page where you are going to create your account. So you're gonna add your username, email address, a password, your birthday month, your sex, and then you're gonna agree to the terms and conditions. I'm just going to skip past all of this because I did actually put in my personal information so I can move on to the next step and show you. Once you've created your account, we move on to step 3. What 3 fragrances have you worn in the past or prefer? For me, I ended up choosing 3 kind of fragrances that might have sounded like something I would wear, but they do give you a option to either save your selection, so you can either type in your fragrances or select from the list shown below, or you can completely skip this option. That's totally up to you. Once you've hit the next step, it's going to analyze your options, and it's gonna bring you over to the fragrance calendar. So I started this in March, so it goes all the way to August, so it's actually 6 months worth of calendar fragrances. So once you find a fragrance that you want to add to your calendar, you're simply going to click the arrow, and it's going to bring you to that specific fragrance. It's going to give you a brief description, even gives you a review, and you have the option to add it to your cart or add it to your calendar. Now these travel sizes are 0.3 floral ounces, which is quite a bit, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to my calendar, and it's going to add it to the month of March. You can continue adding your fragrances throughout all the months if you wanted to, but I stopped here just to show you exactly how it worked. Once you have your fragrances selected, this is where you're going to choose your monthly membership. Now when you signed up, it automatically chose the $15 Perfume's monthly membership, which is their standard plan. This membership includes a luxury scent box shipped to you monthly with one travel size fragrance. You're gonna receive again a new case quarterly for the season, and it has free shipping, which I think is awesome. They do have the option to do a premium plan, which is only a couple dollars more a month. This one will again ship a luxury scent box to you monthly. You'll receive a luxurious travel size with your choice of fragrance. You'll receive a new case each month, so instead of quarterly, you'll get a brand new one every single month, a surprise color for the season. You'll get access to premium items, so some of these fragrances are premium, so they will already be $18. The $18 provides access to all the scents without additional fees, so it kind of takes the worry off of choosing a premium item. And again, free shipping applies. If you wanted to check out those plans, I would highly recommend you checking them out yourself on the website. It'll explain exactly what you're getting for your money if you select those plans. Once you've selected your plan, then you're just gonna go ahead and type in your billing information and your shipping information. Here's when you can add any coupons that you might have. You submit it and you are all set. You're gonna start receiving your monthly subscription. So I hope you guys found this video really helpful. I hope I didn't miss anything. Anything that I missed, I'll also put down below. Information is down there for you guys, and if I didn't answer anything, feel free to ask your own questions. But we are going to get into some FAQs that I found on the website. I'm super excited about it. Basically, to find these questions, I went on the website, I scrolled all the way to the bottom, there is an FAQ page. So I'm going to read some of the ones that I think most of you would have questions on, but there are almost subcategories as well if you want to know more about the shipping, billing, when you get your package, all that stuff, that's also on here. But just to answer a couple of the more basic questions, I suppose. So first and foremost, you do not have to sign a long-term commitment. For some reason, I love gyms, and then I love not going to gyms. I don't like contracts. I have a commitment problem. No worries, there's no contracts, there's no commitment, only a month to month, or you'll have the option of the annual subscription. Again, I believe I already mentioned this, but just to say it again, there is no shipping charge, which is awesome. None of us want to pay for shipping and handling. What are they handling? One thing that they do stress is that the perfumes are 100% authentic, so you're not worrying about getting any like rip-off brands or anything. They even get into on the website how the fragrances are transported to the luxury box, so if you're really into that, I promise that information is on here. Now this is super important because this is something that I had wanted answered before I sat down and filmed this video. I must say that I did email the luxury people asking these two specific questions. I wanted to know about like cruelty-free perfumes because I know that's really important to a lot of people, and if there was international shipping, which I did not find immediately, but it does say about the international shipping that there is no shipping charge, but they do not ship internationally. It says, where does luxury scent box ship? And it said, only in America. So I do apologize that to my international viewers. Don't hurt me, I'm just a messenger. Again, it gets all into return, state tax, my account, fragrance calendar. There's a ton of information on the website if you really want to know more. Again, I'm really grateful for this opportunity. This doesn't come up very often, so I really wanted to do this project justice. I hope I did. I hope I answered any of your questions. So the only thing that Luxury Box sent me was 2 months worth of perfumes, which I got 2 different perfumes. I am not getting paid for this. I'm simply doing this. This is my own opinion, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, and it's always gonna remain my opinion. So please don't worry about using my promo code. I really don't think there are any other benefits to my knowledge of this whatsoever. But my promo code is at Shayzoenay, and what that's going to get you is 30% off of your first month's box. So I believe you'll only be paying, I think they said $10.50 versus the $15. So I think, hey, why not? If you saw this video and decide to sign up on your own, I'm going to save you a little bit of money. For free, you're welcome. Thank you guys so much for watching. I was so nervous filming this video, but I hope I did a pretty good job. Please leave a thumbs up and let me know that I did, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!